Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on SurveySparrow on-campus placement. It is for 6 months internship. It is occurred on July 2025. Before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Right, let us going into the video. Round 1 is a written exam. They will give you a few scenarios and ask to write test cases based on them. For example, scenario will be like this. Consider a pair of headphones. Write the test cases from the perspective of both customer and the tester to ensure the headphones work properly. Okay, in this way you are going to receive scenarios. You have to write both customer side test cases as well as tester side test cases in order to headphones work properly. This is the written exam. Okay, they will give few scenarios. Okay, if you qualify in written exam round 1, then you are eligible for the round 2 and interview on testing. Right, testing means in this way only scenarios they will ask and you have to give your answers based on your knowledge. Right, based on testing they will ask questions. And round 3 is interview on technical, your core subjects related. Like if you are from IT or CSE background, they might have asked about your core subjects like machine learning or Java or Python. Whatever language you are preferred with, they might ask questions on them. Okay, core subject related questions. And round 4 is resume based interview. If your resume has HTML, CSS, they might ask questions on it and ask questions on core concepts and coding basic questions also they might have asked. And mainly they're asking definitions of OOPS concept, like what is encapsulation, what is abstraction, how can you hide the few things from the user. Okay, in that way they might have asked you questions. That is with the round 4. And round 5 is the HR round. That means are you prefer to relocate to our company. In that way HR questions, you know, right? And in this SurveySparrow, total 1 written test they conduct and followed by 4 interviews based on testing scenarios, technical questions and coding basic questions. Right, I hope you got clear on it. And it is for 6 months internship. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you for supporting me.